Take on me, take. Oh, hi. You gotta shoot, right? Yeah, he's shooting. Gotta remember, boys. They call the hammer shot team. What will happen? Take it back. I guess it's just too tough. So yeah, guys. The reason I have a. So yeah, guys. I'm gonna have to say this. I'm gonna have to post video about no moon script for about, well, 10 episodes or 10 videos of no moon.jar, because that part gotta scare the crap out of me. I mean, look, my files is literally gotta be risky. And I heard that when I heard something, it says here, it's a brother of, or should I say brother, what is it again? Brother of the what was his name again? Broken.jar? Yeah, I heard it. Technically, I am not gonna risk my parts. Nope. Oh! Get out of me, you screwdrivers! What the hell is this? Screwdrivers? Yeah, give me. I'll only eat for combines. Yo. Oh, here we are. Pushback. You know, in the original. God. Screw this! Eat this, sucker! Now! Suck it. What the? I didn't know that part since from the beginning, since the two time. Yep. 2 parts. Ooh! Come here, boy! Come here, boy! Come here! Where you going? You don't want to shoot your friend, do you? You don't want to shoot your friend, right? I have your friend over here. Drop your guns, or I'll just gotta throw it at you. You don't want to shoot your friend, huh? You don't want to shoot. Oh, you're shooting at it. You don't care. Egghead. Nope. Deserve a box. Nope. Stay in the box. Die in the box. I win. Now. So as I was saying about the no moon.jar has some file stuff. I know it needs to be that scary though, but I know, but it's just the part that just doesn't make any. It's just the part that would be very risky. Looks like the spy is here. Suck it, tequila. Screw this. No, you don't. So, can you climb? Oh, you can. What's in here? No, there's nothing. Where's that idiot going? Nope. Definitely not. Oh yeah? You think you got this? Definitely not. On 2. There you are. No, you don't. Woo, that was close though. Close call. Round 3, idiot. Come here. No, you're gonna be the one I have to be a special kill. I'm gonna do something with you. Yeah, I'm gonna do with it. No. I'm gonna have to suffocate you. Drown! Sleep with the fishes. Doorknobs. hell no. Nope, nope. Don't you move. Nope, nope. Oh, hi. Oh, God. No, no you don't. Come here. Come here. Drown in the sorrow. Drown, 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 drown. There, sleep with the fishes. See? Sleep. What will happen? Come away! Say out of my way, idiots. You. Oh, Lord of Heavens. Lord of Heavens, no! Don't you leave! Oh! Ow! You know, from the beginning, I always pick the other part. Ha! Suck it! I win! Now to the next one. You know what? If gmod won't allow me to do something fast, then I'm gonna have to do something fast. Quicker than that. Screw this. It's not about sharks anymore. It's about goddamn shark on tuna with legs. Screw this. No, you don't. Come here. Come here. Come here. There. You're dead. Nope. Nope. You're my body shield now. You're my body shield. No, you don't. You guys are so horribly. I'm not gonna go in there. You see? This thing! Come here! Come here. No, you don't! Get back here! Call me a skill issue, whatever you want, but I just do not even possibly care if I would to. No, no, you don't, you don't! Nope! Yep, yep, stay down, stay down. Look, I died for like third time. I don't want to die in a fourth time in a row. That's gonna be the most annoying part. Call them goddamn skill issue with a goddamn guy who literally had no zero idea! Woo! Now that was just tough. Now my walking goddamn thing. Does this even work? Nope. Bye-bye. Look. You'll say do something you shouldn't. Yep. Whoa! No you don't! No you don't! Nope, 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 nope. Bye-bye, sucker! I got it first. Now grabbing is really less right now. I should just use guns. You know what doesn't make sense? Shark only has fins, and it literally doesn't have hands, and how is that even possible to shoot? Move! On this side! Get your goddamn thing! There's a bullet in my head! Move! No! Damn it! Sneaking around this door. Since when did you... Yep, you're dropping. Yeah, get out of here! Get out of here, boy! Get out of here! Gordon Freeman ammo. Where is the other? Where is he? Where's that gunner? Where is he? Where? There he is. No, 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 no. Get back here. Yeah, get back. Why is it even sound like that? I swear to... It might be the mod I did. You know what? Screw it. Oh! Since when? Screw this. Yeah. No, get back here. Get back here. Don't have ammo. I have rockets. Where are you going? Yeah, get back here. Come here. Yeah, I'm over here. Right here. Hello? Screw this up. Screw it. We're leaving. Yep, bye-bye. No, he's not turning. You know, that's one combine that doesn't use. It's obvious the mod I just installed. There's two! Oh lord. Nah. There's two. Oof. Whoa. Nope. Bye-bye. Oh, he's in that street. Yep, screw that. Never mind, take that. He shooting. Oh, now I get it. Because of why I use airboat is because there's a toxic wasteland over here. Flashlight. Third of all, the engine's not working, so I have to get out of there. He's back! Leave me alone! What did I do to you? Oh hell. Nope. He's dropping bombs. Hey, that's my thing! You bastard! Get back here! That's my goddamn thing. I drop bombs better than you know. Sometimes. Look, I suck at dropping bombs, alright? I never even have a single. That's all I know. I'm gonna make you turn into a goddamn wrench. A toolbox that would be useful for the tanks. Or maybe a toolbox that can for the tank. Whatever am I going to say is that this guy is a copycat of me. That's not me. That's a faker. The real me was supposed to be doing a lot of bombs better than all of you. Maybe something like that. Hey guys, check this out. I'm gonna do advanced better. I'm gonna do it. Let's go. Music, stop. I didn't do anything perfect. No, stop. Let me just do something perfect. Good. Let me do it. Yes, make it, yes, no, wait, yes. Backwards. No, never mind, take it back. Better leave me alone once I get in here. Oh wait, I remember. Look, it's been so long I haven't played Half-Life 2, or I have been playing Minecraft constantly. Maybe, kinda. Just to only add some noise. Horrifying stress in a goddamn game where kids play, always be pedophiles, and it's always be the worst time. It's goddamn stupid. Dude, I played there just to only do some targets. But you know what I suck? You know what sucks? The goddamn chat hasn't been even unlocked. Not a single week. Not a single day. It hasn't been unlocked. And it, boy, that fuels the boil out of my goddamn guts. Right there on a doorstep. Literally making having my blood boiled up with a bunch of random personals who have random names that doesn't make any sense. Especially the skins as well. Well, I judge my skin as well because I'm a little bit of a boy a bit more. And also the are just straight like that. Some of the skins are quite very good. I saw a few donors, alright, but I couldn't prove it to you all, but I know I saw. But don't believe me, just don't believe me, because I didn't bring the proof. I didn't bring the proof, which I suck. I even think about shooting at me? Yep, he's shooting. Ooh! Ooh! Nice try. What happened to it? Oh! No! 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 Oh, wait, he can't see! Ha! Checkpoint another! There. Okay. Okay. Just put there. Now you just, you know, in the original game, you just had to crouch down and push it to forward, and yeah, that's how you do it. That's how you do it. Who the frick are you?
You're Freeman, aren't you?
I'm not Freeman. Don't ask why and how am I inside the boat.
Dr. Gordon Freeman himself.
I'm not Freeman, guys.
You're just in time, Doc. We gotta move out before the Combine picks us up.
I'm not Freeman,
ready
damn
to
it.
pull out.
Go
You
fly.
better hurry. Gotta tear down this camp.
I'm not Freeman.
Greetings to the Freeman.
What you mean?
Come on in. I'll show you what you're up against.
What? Oh, hey. Here. Hold on. Let me just take your loot. Thank you. Sorry. No, sorry, because I don't know why. Give me.
Come on, get in here. Here, take a look at this. This here's the dam. It's just up ahead.
You know, I have a horrible
Eli's
eyesight,
hideout
dude.
is here, a stone's throw from the apron and nestled in the old hydro plant. But getting there, with that hunter chopper on your ass, next to impossible.
My what?
Good news is, the Vortigaunt's working his magic
don't
on
have
the
ass.
airboat, so
What?
you'll have a little more firepower going forward.
Lady.
I think he's just finishing
I'll
up
kill
now.
you.
Go on out.
All right, man.
Take that chopper down, and you should be able to tear on through to Eli's place.
Aye. Thanks, man.
The Freeman will accept this weapon or suffer greatly on the road ahead.
Yeah, whatever. I already heard you for like twice or thrice or 4 times. So I just don't know who you are.
Give him hell, Doc.
See ya, guys. Oh, by the way, don't forget the tuna. Give me more tuna, boss! Oh, shh. Shit. Hey, out of my way, guy. Yeah. I'll die over me. No, what happens if Freeman did successfully in his place? Well, I have no any goddamn idea. Oh no! Still. Out of my damn way! Shut up. Yeah, shut up. No, you don't. You missed on your shot. No, that's just respond. Buddy, out of my way.